Hi dear friends, hope you are all doing well. I am Srinivas in front of you today. I wanted to talk to you all in a totally different subject. See, like all of you, for me, Bhagavad Gita is the greatest book, contains so many things which each one of us should know, learn, and practice how to be a good person. For me, the Adhyaya number 2, that is Sankhya Yoga, I love the most because it tells the naked truth of human evolvement. The way the birth getting into the world is natural. You fear that is natural. Going away, bidding goodbye to all of us in the form of a death, that is also quite natural. Sankhya Yoga, particularly from Sloka 52, 53, 54, 55 and 56, Bhagavan Krishna Paramatma says the basic facts, the way born, grow, old, death, the 4 stages of our life, he tells in a beautiful and a lucid way. Sloka number 56 I want to recite, even though all of you must be knowing it. Dukkheshu anudvigramana. Just because dukkheshu means dukkha means problems, just because you are all getting problems, don't get bogged down. Sukheshu vigata spruha. Sukheshu, sukha means pleasures. Don't look at the sky and dance that I am the greatest fellow because now I am with so many pleasures. The way you look at the sukha and dukkha is the same way. Vita raga bhaya krodaha. Vita, that means who doesn't? Raga, attachment. Krodha, anger. Bhaya, fear. Who does not have the feeling of attachment, fear and anger? Sthitadir Muniruchyate is considered to be the real saint on this earth. So this is a sloka number 56 from Sankhya Yoga of Bhagavad Gita. Now I have told you a sloka and I have told you word by word meaning also. My dear friends, this everybody know. This sloka you must have had it so many lakhs of times you must have had everybody. But how many people in this world are actually practicing this? Have you ever seen? A person who is about to undergo a most critical operation, smiling, totally composed, not crying himself that why I only should get this problem, why all are happily enjoying there, why God should make me to suffer. Anybody have seen? Anybody have seen where the person who is in the real trouble, not crying? Anywhere you have seen a person with joys, not jumping, thinking that it is his own greatness? Anywhere you can find a sthita prajna, a person with sthita prajna, without vita raga bhaya krodha. I am telling you about a person known to all. Very shortly he has to undergo a critical surgery. His wife already is a problem. She is having a problem. Recovered, but because of her husband problem, she got a bit disturbed and some other dengue fever and all she got. The situation in the house is also not congenial. Nobody to take any care of these two people. And there is nobody even to prepare food for them. But whenever I talk to them, they are always smiling. They say, yes, we can do, we can manage. I think you must be aware, Mr. Madhu Mohan and his wife, Vijay Lakshmi Madam. Today morning I spoke to him. I thank you from the core of my heart, the way all of you divine souls have responded for the cause of saving our dearest Madhu Mohan. The help has come from like a bursting barrage. When the barrage bursts, the flow of water becomes uncontrollable. The love and affection that all of you have shown, our Madhu Mohan and his family, your wishes, your prayers will always be there. Today, Madhu Mohan, I spoke to him. He told his liver examinations in Kim's hospital are already completed. His MELD score is somewhere around end stage liver disease, that they will calculate what stage the liver is functioning. It is at a satisfactory level, not means not good. It is a satisfactory. Wait and watch. 13 to 14. MELD score is around 13 to 14. That means liver transplantation is compulsory. But they can plan the surgery. That is the beauty of Madhu Mohan's case here. Anybody in this particular case, until the last moment you don't get any symptom of liver disease. But fortunately for Madhu now, he has got a MELD score of around 13 to 14, so that we can plan the things, and your help, your magnanimity has resulted in solving the one area, that is finance. But the other areas, he has to face the reality. He has to face the situation. But Madhu, like a real saint, what I have told you, the way he was, the way he is now, totally same. There is no difference at all. Because of the weakness, he is not able to talk to you all. But the tone and tenor, a bit of confidence, a pleasant smile, a beautiful eye contact, a very good body language. When he speaks to us, we feel very relaxed actually. Yeah, I am there for you, a godly person. My dear friends, my association with Madhu is more than 2 decades actually. For me, I am not boasting about that family. For me, they are like the Rishis, what Krishna Bhagavan has told in Shloka number 56 of Sankhya Yoga. They are the real yogis in this modern world. They say Atma is different and body is different. To recuperate body, they are giving all the medicines and they are going for surgery and all. But Atma is full of vibrancy and full of confidence and full of hope. For me, when I got a fever, I was feeling fever inside myself, even though doctor told it is nothing is there, you are hale and healthy. But the devil in my brain was prompting me that you are still having the fever and the doctor is telling you a lie. I have purchased one thermometer, it was showing accurately 98.4. Again, I thought the thermometer is a problem, I brought one more thermometer and it is also showing a normal thermometer. So the problem is not with the thermometer, the problem is with my brain, that it was behaving like a monkey. So my dear friends, Dukkeshu Arudvignamana, Sukeshu Vigataspruha, Vetaraga Bhayakrodha, Sitadir Buddhichate. Let us all pray with a unified heart and voice. God, please bring back our Madhu, smiling, vibrant and energetic, back to us, so that he will be amongst us, guiding us and spreading the smile of spirituality to all of us. Thank you, my dear friends, for patiently listening to me whenever I speak to you. But these are all the things which my heart really felt. I am not boasting anything to show a person very high in the life, but it is a fact. God bless you for giving me that opportunity. Thank you, Srinivas.